Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and today I'm here with day 20 of the No New November Junk Journal Challenge. And for day 20 is odd book pages to make pages. So let's get this one on the road. So I have all my odd pages here, okay? The numbers, different, like 7, 5, stuff like that, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to start folding them all. Like that. And you don't have to be really straight with it. I mean, the pages when you fold them don't have to be really straight. That's just me. So I'll just keep going. Oh, I can't read that many pages. Okay. We have 2 pages here. I'm going to try to fold, no, I can't fold them at the same time because I want them to make sure they're all separated. I could do 2 pages at once, but like that. Then what I do is I take all the ones that are folded and take my bone folder or a pair of scissors and just flatten them out. And then to put them to the side, I take my little clip here, my little quill clip, clip it and put it underneath the little shelf I have here, so I don't have that much stuff on my desk. So I'm gonna keep on folding. You know what? I want to do something here. I'm gonna trim off that side there. Don't have to trim off very much. Just go like that, back and forth, and take off whatever's been trimmed off already and trim the rest, like so. Okay, now we got easy peasy pages. Okay, so here we go. Again, keep folding. When you think you have enough, just flatten the pages out. Like that. Okay. Also, make sure you check out Mrs. Gigi's page or YouTube channel, because she's also doing this. You'll find her link in my link tree down below in the description box. I will, however, try to put it also in the comment section of the video. Okay, I'm just going to do it with my thumbnail, flatten them out, and add them to the quilt clip here. So those are all done. Oh, I forgot this one. Well, let's do that now. So I'm just going to keep going, like so. I mean, this goes pretty quick once you get going. Like that. And like that. Oops, this one doesn't want to get folded over. So these are all, these pages here are all done. So I'm going to clip them all together here, like so. Now I'm going to go to my odd pages that are bigger. Okay, and just like I did with the others. Okay, like that. Flatten it out. Or burnish it is what we call it. I don't have my bone further with me. Let me get it. There we go. Got the bone further. So what I'm gonna do with these is burnish them and kind of flatten them all out. And then again, I'll add them to my little quilt clip here. There we go. And just keep going. Like so. And that's the last one. So that's it for this one. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload any new content. Okay? Or when I go live or do a premiere. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up now. Also, be kind, be blessed, be crafty, be safe. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now. Oh, and by the way, if y'all do this journal, please do take pictures and put it in my group and also Miss Gigi's group. And if y'all do it on video, please hashtag Mrs. Gigi and myself. We would be more than happy to see what y'all create with this challenge. Okay? Thanks. Bye.